If you're not making $10 every 1 minute, then you really need to stick all the way to the end of this video and understand every strategy, every process I've actually put in place to show you how you can actually earn $10 every 1 minute. Per minute, $10 every minute. You just have to set some certain things up, which I'll be showing you in this video, and you can start making money. Okay, this is a very new strategy. We have not talked about this before, and I did deep research to actually get here. So if you want to get ahead of those that have not known about this, stick all the way to the end of this video, understand it, and let's get right in. So now you are in my computer. The website we'll be talking about today is Bonfire. It's a website where you can actually sell mesh. Like, you create a design, you sell mesh. So you want to click on do not sell my personal information. You want to make sure your information is safe. I'll walk you through the whole creation process. I'll walk you through the whole design process. This is where you'll be making $10 per minute. This is how I'll show you how you would set this up. I'll show you everything you need to know, and I'll show you how you can actually do this yourself. So don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and drop a comment if there's any section of this video you don't understand. Okay, so you want to head over to bonfire.com. You want to read about it. You want to make sure you are having enough knowledge about Bonfire itself. Then definitely you want to go ahead and create an account. I'll walk you through we're not creating an account with password and all like that. We'll be creating an account, just signing with my Google account, which is Owanet also. Don't forget to like. Okay, so let's click on get started. I was actually unable to get that through. I just clicked on login. Then we walk through the back process where there's an option where you can actually create an account. However, it's all still the same thing. Okay, so stick around and make sure you don't skip any aspect of this video. We click on sign up for Bonify, and I continue with my Google. You can actually continue with your Facebook as well if you have a personal Facebook account or a Facebook account where you just have as an extra. So I'll be using my Gmail, and let's just continue with the account creation. Continue, and if you're using Gmail as well, you can just follow the exact process I did here. So I needed to sign in again. Aside from signing up, I needed to sign in. So we head over to the same process. I was thinking maybe it doesn't actually sign me in. So I did bring in the channel name, but I had to make sure it was different. So we clicked on dashboard, nothing was coming up. So I did the sign in again process. So after signing in, I had access to my dashboard, and definitely I'll walk you through how you can actually create this mesh design and how you can sell it. I'll show you marketing strategy where you can list your mesh designs and how you can actually market it. Okay, so now this is our dashboard. This is the overview of Bonify, and this is how yours would look like exactly. Okay, so you want to click on campaigns. You can just click it right here, or just head over to the side section, click on campaigns, click on get started. Now it will bring you here. It will bring you to the platform where you would have to design your print on demand. You have to design your special stuff on the clothes, on the hoodie, on the just normal wear or classic wear or premium unisex wear, whichever one you choose the color. I would say this: putting more energy, putting more effort creating these designs, because you want to make it unique. You want to make it, yes, I did this and it's selling. All right, you want that stuff, you want that uniqueness. I did not put in too much energy creating these designs because I was just trying to make this video, trying to get you to understand the concept, and definitely trying to make sure the video is not too long. Because if I'm going into designing, it will be a whole lot of stuff. So now, for those that have designing skill, this will be a peanut for you, because you know how easy it is for you to get these things done. So I checked on their designs that you can just put on your clothes, and something someone already made. But I said no, let's just create something from scratch, so you understand how to create it from scratch as well. All right, so you head over to the designs, the product, which is your hoodie, your t-shirt, or whichever one it is. All right, then you proceed to changing the color, or probably adding text, or probably adding art. So in this scene, we were actually doing dogs. I was doing the top for dog. So maybe like a dog community or something like that. I just picked one random stuff. Sorry, I had to pick blue, just making sure what's it called? It's still visible. I was doing a mistake here. So they had this printable area stuff. So I changed the color to blue, making it, I think I changed the hoodie color as well. But you see, just follow this exact process, alright? It's not art, it's not rocket science. You just have to be creative a little bit. And if you don't have any designing ideas as well, I'll share with you platforms that are actually doing these things for you, where you don't have to be the one creating it yourself. Platforms that are already has incredible ideas where you can just copy and paste or re-edit and download it, then you can actually upload it here on this system. All right, so bonfire is a very amazing website where you can actually sell print on demand hoodie, t-shirt, unisex wears and all like that. So you want to actually add text, making it unique. So I did everything in this video non-professional. In the creation of this hoodie, in the creation of this stuff, I just added nonsense there. However, I know you get the concept and you know how to create it in like when it's your turn. You can change the font of the text. Understand this, the printable area where it's actually specified should be where all your design is, you understand? So I had to reduce the dog head image, or would I say art, then change the font and color for this so it's visible. This is not too bad, but to some people that are actually very creative, this is extremely bad. So you don't want to, just make sure it's unique and people like it. And this would actually be very good if you have a review community or something like that, where you can actually share and they drop reviews, so you can actually use that as marketing. All right, however, if you don't, just stick all the way to the end of this video. I'll be sharing with you strategies where you can actually use to market this and get it in front of people. Now listen, in this creation of hoodie process and the selling on Bonify, there are different ways you can actually go about this. You can actually start selling, which is definitely what we're doing. We're not buying, we're not making this order, we are selling. All right, you click on start selling. It's 100% free, no inventory. Just click on start selling. I'll walk you through the whole process as well. This is a tutorial video. This is you learning step by step on how you can actually do this yourself. All right, so this is the next stage. How many units do you want sold? How many units? So I actually tried increasing this to the max. Don't click on the section where it's showing on demand. Don't. So for every $27, that will actually be the price for every $27. So for the plain t-shirt, the premium unisex tee, you get $9 each. So this is just a design on they added the design on every other stuff. So if you sold about 500, is that 500? I guess if you sold about that much, this is how much profit you can actually get. Do you understand? All you just need is a community. This is a very effective way to actually earn money online. Don't forget, if you haven't already, kindly subscribe to the YouTube channel. I'll be sharing easy making money online tips that you can actually replicate and make decent amount of money anywhere in the world. Okay, this is worldwide available. You can do this from anywhere in the world, and it's very lucrative. All right, you just need to follow all the way to the end of this video. Each strategy I actually shared, they are not detailed, but I know you're a very creative person and you can actually replicate this using the explanation I actually shared. On to the next stage, I'll be showing you how do you want it to be. So you can actually choose either to make money and keep the profit, or use it as a fundraise. In this video I picked fundraise because when people are actually part of a community, they always want to help. So helping with a t-shirt, buying and supporting something like that actually triggers buying decisions very faster. Now you get the trick. This is not something you've actually heard before, or this is not something you've actually seen before. This is a very unique strategy where you can actually earn money. And so on the tag section, you want to pick stuff that are actually related to the what's it called, to the designs you created. So mine is social movements, dogs, animal rights, something like that. So this is an example video. All right, I'm not saying you should replicate the exact thing I did there. I'm just telling you, you already have the idea. Now go out there and recreate, go out there and be creative and make something different, make something very, very unique. All right, so with that being said, if you do not see your tag there, you can actually add it to it. All right, so I actually published this. Yes, I launched this live yesterday. So you can do the standard. Make sure it's standard on the shipping options. Make sure it's standard. Click on you don't need to enable referrals. You don't need that since you don't have a special code you actually want to give out there. All right, well, if you do have, definitely something you can actually add to it, and make sure it will be more of whenever you have referrals, there's a percentage they get off the product. All right, so that's how it works. But if you don't have referrals, just continue with the video and skip to the next stage I'll be showing you in this video. So let's go to we already walked past through the settings. I had to go back to check something to make sure. Did I later change this to make money online? I don't think so. So accept tips, and there's a fee to that. I think I unchecked it. I definitely unchecked it. There's a tip to that. You have to add an extra 8% from your earnings, which we don't want 8% being deducted from it as well. So I think I unchecked that exactly. No donations yet. Well, we kept the fundraising all like that. We kept it in check. So on to the next stage now. They said this should actually be first batch will end by this. All you have to do is, so this will end on the 28th. Literally, all you have to do is the amount of dates you actually input to actually make them sell the product for. You have to come back there after those dates have expired and do the editing again, do the designing again, and list it for another 30 days or list it for another 20 days. That is how it works. So, and the last section is the preview section. So you want to give it a title. Definitely you want to briefly describe what the fundraising history is about. So I don't really think I wrote something that makes sense here. However, you want to put in details on what it is about. So if you don't have ideas, you can actually tell ChatGPT to write ideas for you. Tell ChatGPT to write it in grade 5. This would actually make sure you have a human-like story, and definitely people can actually relate because the words there are very very easy to read and easy to understand. This is a trick as well. People don't know this. People use ChatGPT blindly. They don't give it effective instructions to actually deliver effective results. So you want to do this, put in information about the fundraising of the dog you're actually doing. In most cases, if this is actually something you're doing, like you have a fundraising for dog, definitely just put in the story there. All right, so the heading I think I just put I love dogs, something like that, and the description I actually wrote nonsense as well, but you get the point. Okay, in everything we have actually been explaining for the past 18 minutes, you actually understand the concept. All right, you understand the concept you're actually using to create this product. Yes, it's a product. It's a print on mesh, that mesh stuff people do online and with Shopify and all like that. So this is it here. So after going through all this stage, after going through all the description and all like that, you want to click on launch. That's all. There's no any other thing you need to add. There's no any other specific thing you need to add. For the description of the product or about the campaign, you will probably add a lot of stuff. But however, you just want to review it and click on launch. That's your URL code. That's the link you'll be copying. So once you're done with this whole process, confirm and launch. Say launching your campaign and your product is actually live. All right, this is how it is. So you can actually copy the link and share it on Facebook, where you have a community that talks about dog. You can just create a story related to dogs and fundraising, or related to helping dogs in the society, or saving dogs that are actually abandoned, something like that. You can do that and we are all set. You skip for now, and okay, I got it. So this is at the stage. You see, we just created a t-shirt, and we are not the ones shipping, we're not the ones selling, we're not the one doing the whole hard work or the whole difficult job. Bonfire is actually handling all that, and all you just have to do is promote your product link, which is your clothes. All right, you can actually do more on promoting. You can do this on any niche. All right, you can do for vegan, you can do for fitness, you can do it for any other niche. So about tools you can actually use in creating this design to actually create more uniqueness. You can actually use photopea. Photopea is actually a software related to Photoshop. Well, I think it's more easier to use. I'm not a graphic designer, I'm just showing you little bit on how the whole process works. So you want to head over, and designers actually know that I'm actually doing nonsense here. So you want to click on text. Maybe you have a particular word you think is very, very catchy, a particular word you think is very, very unique, and people actually want to buy. Then just type in the word, make it unique, create the effect on the words, create, maybe it needs some shadows, something like that. All you just have to do is create something unique, definitely would sell. And once you're done, upload it on bonfire, upload it on your mesh, upload it on your t-shirt, the unisex t-shirt color, put in different color. You can actually upload as much as possible. Just know at the end of 28 days or something like that, you have to re-upload it again. Another software that actually has pre-designed template for you is what's it called? Is Canva. All right, so it's asking me to create an account. I don't want to walk you through the whole process. We don't need an account yet. You can just go over to the design section and you see different designs that you can actually just put directly on the clothes, and boom, you're actually selling if you can actually follow through with the marketing. Okay, because what drives money is audience. So whenever you have people in a particular community that is interested in a particular stuff, which is let's say a particular stuff that is helping them, or a particular stuff they're interested in, and you can actually market stuff like this to them, it's very, very effective. So now on the marketing stage, you want to head over to Google and search for dog forum. In this scene, we'll be using dog forum. All right, I want to scroll through Google, check through every dog forum you can actually join. If you're promoting dog, make sure you do something better than what I did. If you're promoting dog or something related to dog or something related to dog community, join as many forum as you can, and just say a little bit about. Don't just go there dropping your link. They'll get you kicked out. You can do something like telling a little story about it, make it interesting. Or you can actually head over to Facebook as well, search for dog forum or something related to dogs around, then join group. Then in this scene, I actually did drop the link. I just dropped it blankly there, nothing special. I just dropped the link. However, that is not a very, very good thing to do, because your post would actually not get approved, and also your post will probably be declined, and maybe they'll even get you kicked out. Do you understand? So you want to join Facebook groups that are related to dogs and the dogs community. You want to add value. You want to make sure they see you as someone of value, not someone trying to sell something to them. People don't like to be sold to. People like to be a part of something that everyone else is part of. All right, so you want to do what's it called? You want to copy your product link and definitely just paste it here. All right, so it's bringing this stuff. I don't know why it actually took I don't know why I took it out already, but this is all you need to do. Like I said, I just posted this blankly. Sorry about that. But I hope you do get the point. I hope you do get value in this video. If you haven't already, kindly like and subscribe to this channel. I'll be posting daily making money online tips like this one, and you don't want to miss out on any of the strategy, so you can actually be ahead of your competitors and as well make the most amount of money. So if you haven't already, kindly like and subscribe. Share this video to your friends. You know that it will be definitely helpful for them, and you guys can actually get the bags in. All right, I showed you the creation of the account. I showed you how you can actually create a design. I showed you the marketing of the designs, and I showed you different strategies. I know you actually did get immense amount of value, because this video is actually long and it's very, very packing. So if you've stuck all the way to the end, I hope you did enjoy this video. If you haven't already and you don't understand any aspect, kindly drop a comment if there's anything you actually want to know. So you want to head over to those forums. I did not join anyone here, but I just checked some out, so you know how it looks like. Okay, forum are a very, very great place to actually market your product or service, anyone it is. You want to click on those forums, check out the community, see what they're doing, see what you can actually add. Just post things that are related to value, things people would actually love. Maybe after making the post, then it has enough reaction, enough enough engagement, you can actually drop it in the comment section about your fundraising or about the clothes you're selling related to what you just created or what you just posted. So this is a very, very effective strategy. Peace and love once again. Don't forget to give a like to this video. You're helping me get this video to more people, so you can actually help more people as well. And don't forget to subscribe as well. Peace and love. One it also.